Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you a few ways on how you can rename your PC or your computer on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So when you first buy your computer or when you first install a new window on your computer, it will by default give it a generic name. And if you want to change that, you can do that in a few different ways. So the first way to do is by going to the Start menu and then you want to click on the settings. Once you are in the setting apps, go to the left hand side and click on the system. Then scroll down all the way and where you see about section, just click on that. So here are a few things. With the new update on the Windows, you'll be able to see some very important information on this page. So basically, and here on the right hand side, you can see rename this PC. Just click on that. As you can see, the current name, the current PC name is here. You can actually change it and give it to any name that you want, and then click on next, and it will change it. Let's cancel out of here, and I'm going to show you the next one. So now let's go to the second way on how to rename your computer. So for that, you need to go to the run box. You need to type system here, copy, and then you need to type this one, and then you need to click on OK. It will take you here to the computer name, and here you can see computer descriptions. You can give it anything. For example, if you are on a work group, you can give any description to your computer. But as you can see here, full name of the computer. To rename it, you can just click on change. You can give it any name that you want. So once you do that, then click on the OK button. So now let's just cancel this one out because I have a couple other ways on how you can rename your computer. Let's go to the third way, and that is by using the PowerShell command. So for that, you need to right click on the Start menu, and then in here you need to click Terminal with Admin. In the past, it used to be called PowerShell, but now it's called Terminal. So click on the Terminal with Admin, click on Yes if you are prompted, and then rename -computer space dash new name and then space apostrophe, and then in the middle you need to put the new name for your computer. Press enter, and then once you restart your computer, it should work. Mine doesn't work because this name already exists and I don't want to change it, so that's why I just put this one. But if I had put a new name, it would have worked. So the same for you. The last way on how to do is by using the command prompt. For that, let's just go and search for cmd, and on the right hand side, click on run as administrator, and if it asks you for permission, just click yes. Okay, and then for this one we need to copy the third command on, and then let me just copy that, and then you need to paste it in here. So this is with capital WMIC space computer system space where space caption Zia Maliky Academy, which is like, you know, the old name, and then you want to rename it with ZM Academy. Then hit enter. Mine, it doesn't show it because this name already exists. For you, it will work. So these were all the 4 ways. Now let's restart the computer and then find out if it has changed or not. Go to a system again, and then come all the way and click on the about section, and then in here you can see that the name has changed now to ZM Academy. Okay, so that's how you can change or rename your PC on Windows 10 or Windows 11.